Have you ever wondered how astronauts spend their day in the International Space Station? Let's commence with the break of a new day. In the realm of the cosmos, an astronaut's wake-up call isn't greeted by the warmth of the sun, but by an alarm. Space, my dear friends, knows no dawn or dusk. Morning routines, of course they have them. Personal hygiene is strictly attended to, albeit a tad differently than here on Earth. Breakfast? Absolutely. Dehydrated, rehydratable, packaged yet palatable meals are the order of the day. And then the daily planning conference with mission control, mapping out the tasks of the day, each one crucial for the smooth functioning of the station. The astronauts retire for the night in their small personal sleeping quarters, just big enough for them to float inside. Just like us, astronauts also start their day with a good breakfast and a plan. So what's next after breakfast? Well, time for some work and exercise. A day in the life of an astronaut is no walk in the park. Their work schedule consists of a variety of tasks, from maintenance and repairs to the station to conducting groundbreaking scientific research. It's a job that requires precision, dedication, and a head for heights that would make most of us dizzy. Yet, it's not all work and no play. Exercise is a crucial part of their daily routine. They spend roughly 2 hours a day keeping fit. You might wonder why so much time exercising. Well, in the weightless environment of space, muscle and bone loss can occur rapidly. To combat this, astronauts take their workouts very seriously. With a combination of resistance training, cardiovascular exercises, and even some yoga, they ensure their bodies stay healthy and robust. Remember, in space, no one can hear you sweat. After a long day of work and exercise, astronauts also need some leisure time. Just as with us Earthlings, this downtime is vital for their well-being and productivity. In these precious moments of respite, astronauts often find themselves captivated by the ethereal beauty of our home planet. Gazing at the Earth from their unique vantage point, they capture stunning photographs that not only serve as personal mementos, but also provide valuable data for scientific research. Communication too forms an integral part of their leisure time. With advancements in technology, astronauts can now bridge the vast expanse of space to connect with their loved ones back on Earth. These interactions, albeit virtual, help to keep their spirits high and alleviate feelings of isolation. As the day winds down, they gather for a communal dinner, a tradition that fosters camaraderie among the crew. Following this, they participate in a final daily planning conference, where they review the day's work and discuss plans for the next. Then comes the moment of well-deserved rest. They retreat to their sleeping quarters, where they are enveloped by the tranquility of space. Here, floating in zero gravity, they drift into sleep, their dreams perhaps filled with the stars that twinkle outside their windows. And with that, another day in the life of an astronaut aboard the International Space Station comes to a close. So there you have it. An astronaut's day from dawn to dusk mirrors our own in many ways, despite the surreal backdrop of space. They wake, work, relax, and sleep, just as we do. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember there are people up there living, working, and sleeping amongst the stars.